In this video, I will show you how to remove Microsoft Edge permanently. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Even if you don't use Microsoft Edge, it can still run background processes or become the default for certain links, so removing it can give you more control. To get started, we first need to temporarily disable Windows Security to allow the script to run. From your system tray, open Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, select Manage Settings. Now disable real-time protection and any other options that are currently turned on. This is a crucial temporary step just so Windows doesn't block the removal script. We will be re-enabling all of these protections at the end of the video. Once you're done, close Windows Security and open your web browser. Navigate to the link you'll find in the description below. Click the green code button on that page and then select Download Zip. A zip file will be downloaded. Open your Downloads folder to find it. Right-click on the zip file, select Extract All, and then click Extract on the next window. Now open the folder you just extracted. Right-click on Remove Edge and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. The script will now run and permanently remove Microsoft Edge from your system. Keep in mind that some major Windows updates may reinstall it, so you might need to repeat this process in the future. Now that the script is finished, I'll verify the removal by searching for Edge in the Start menu. And as you can see, the application is no longer installed. Searching for Microsoft Edge yields the same result. Now go back to Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, select Manage Settings, and re-enable all the security options that we turned off earlier.